In this video tutorial, I am going to create the pin and pin A and pin B for the universal join. So the units are in millimeter. Sketching. I'm going to select the right plane, draw a circle. The radius of this circle is 12. Extrude it, and this depth is given as 70. Go to sketching, open the sketch, and we are going to select the front plane and isometric view. Then I am going to draw a line like that and move your cursor to this endpoint like that. Draw a straight line, then again move your cursor to this endpoint. And the sketching, the line command, select smart dimension. From here to here, this is given as 6. This coincident is automatically added, we needed to delete it. And I am going to add the tangent relation between this line and this arc. Add the tangent. So this one is given as 12 and the top length is given as 30. Add the relation. This point is coincident with this edge. Make sure you select the edge. And then we needed to define the, so the total length is 70 minus 30, 40. So from here to here, this is 20, 30 and 20. So total is 70. And this is given as 10, and this is automatically added. We needed to define this one. This one is also 10. So we needed to see the this is also 10. And exit the sketch. So as you see in this sketch, we automatically added some relation. So make sure you avoid that, or at the end and just delete that. We basically needed like that, then move your cursor like that, align like that, then again move to endpoint and like. So this relation is automatically added. We just needed to delete this one like that. This is the concept. Exit it, sketch, feature, cut extrude through all both sided. And again we needed to open the sketch on the top plane like that. Normal view. We just needed to add some holes. And define the dimensions for these holes. So the diameter is 2. We just going to add 1. So from here to here, this one is 6, and same for the other side circle. this one is in the mid, so from here to here total length is 70, so it's 35. 70 divided by 2, and add the relation for this circle, and this circle. These three circles are equal diameter, and add the relation between this circle and this point, horizontal, and same way for rest too. This one, this edge, and again add relation between this central point of the circle and this center, and vertical. So basically all of these holes are on the same line. Exit, cut, extrude, and use the through wall both sided, so it's through wall cut. So pin A is done. Just save it. Now I am going to draw another pin and name it pin 2. So units, millimeter, sketch, front plane, line tool, so this radius is given as 2. This is 12. And this is given as 5. This is also 5. Basically this line is horizontal, so just add the relation, and then we are going to open the sketch on right plane and draw a circle on the origin. This is 2. Go to features, and this time we are going to use the swift base pose command. So select the profile and then select the path. This is pin P. So both pins are done.